I'm Dr. Kedar Raikar. I'm working as an in charge of Primary Health Center Kolim, also as a nodal officer for the St. Xavier's exposition at Old Goa. So it has been, we have been providing medical cover for the last 45 days at Old Goa with regards to the St. Francis Xavier exposition. And being in Director of Health Services, we had got cooperations from 108 for the ambulance services, which include the ALS ambulances as well as 4 bike ambulances. Apart from that, we had got cooperation also from healthcare hospitals wherein they had got the doctors and paramedics. So under Director of Health Services, we had around 8 health centers which were working 24/7, providing the medical covers. So the journey so far, today is the 44th day of the duties, and for 44 days we have seen over 1,000 patients. Around 1,050 patients we have seen at our medical center, which we have this. This medical center has got all the first aid requirements, which includes advanced to in case of patients are having cardiac arrest or any other things. We have got all the medical equipment stationed in our health medical room over here. Apart from that, speaking with regards to the number of referrals, we had around 45 patients referred to JMC. So roughly around 1,050 patients we have seen over a period of 44 days, and around 42 to 43 patients have been referred. We had cardiac arrest patients, snake bites, patients with stroke. We had patients with trauma also, soft tissue injuries, fractures. So these were the emergencies which are referred. The cooperation also from JMC has been wonderful. The patients in JMC were taken on priority basis. So overall, very cooperative type of this experiences, right from the commissioners, the exposition office, the collectorate, the protocol department. Everybody was supportive, and I really thank and I wish them everybody a happy new year. Thank you.